Hey, peace, y'all. I'm just coming. Hold on, let me turn this light on. The lighting is terrible. I hope that helps. It's this light up here. It's making a glare. But anyway, hey y'all. I just came on because I'm in the process of making some elder uh, elderberry syrup. Um, and some slippery cough syrup because I've been coughing. I started coughing today. So I said, let me go ahead and get on it because I don't want to be sick. I don't have time for it and I don't want to be sick. So, and I think I'm going to make me a hot toddy tonight with this whiskey. You remember I did a video on this? I'm glad I got it. I'll be trying to go to the liquor store. But I'm going to make me a hot toddy with this Oak Cliff honey flavored whiskey. And I'm going to take me a shot of that elderberry when I finish. And a shot of slippery elm. But it's a really easy recipe. And the slippery elm, when I tell you, it will knock your cough out like that. Now, that over-the-counter stuff, I don't take. Because all it does is just bait stuff down. It don't really take care of the issue. That's why I love herbs so much. That's why my name is the Herbal. Okay. But anyway, I'm making both of them. I got both of them going now. So I may come back on and show you all the end results. But I'm going to show you all what I use in my recipe. And everything that's on the recipe, because like the slippery elm cough syrup, you're supposed to have marshmallow root. And I don't have any marshmallow root. I'm out of it. I mean, I don't have any. And so the only thing that I'm using as far as a herb is the slippery elm bark. And I'm also using ginger root. But this is what it looked like. It's a powder. I'm low. I need to get some more. I'm going to stock up. So yeah, I need to go to the herb store. But this is the slippery elm bark. This is what it looked like. I don't have that much left. I probably have enough maybe for one more batch. So you would use slippery elm bark, ginger root, the fresh ginger root, cinnamon bark, and this is the sticks. I need to get me some more of those as well. And you know what? It says I'm supposed to put elderberry in it, but I'm not putting any elderberry. I think I'm just gonna leave it like it is because I'm making elderberry syrup, so I don't need that. And honey. And so it's on boiling now. You boil it for 30 minutes, and you bring it to a boil, and then you reduce the heat and let it simmer for 30 minutes. So that's that. And now for the elderberry, oh, and of course I use water to boil it in. And then for the elderberry, these are the elderberry, dried elderberries. I got plenty of those because I ordered some. I think it was right at the end of last year sometime. Maybe, I don't know. I don't remember when it was, but it was the last of last year. I ordered some elderberry because I didn't have, I had some, but not that much. So I got plenty of that. And then you also use the cinnamon sticks. No, not cinnamon sticks. I use the powder. It calls for the powder cinnamon in the elderberry syrup. And also clove. I need to get some more clove because I'm low on that too. Because I use quite a bit of it. But I've been having it for a long time. So, and ginger root is also in the elderberry syrup as well, and honey. And you boil it for like 45 minutes to an hour, or until it's reduced to half. And the same with the slippery elm cough syrup. You can boil it for 30 minutes or until it's reduced to half. So that's what I'm working on, y'all. Y'all check with me later. I will post a short of the end result of my elderberry syrup and my slippery elm cough syrup. Okay. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and let me know what you think. All right. Peace.